back to my channel. So today I'm making egg muffin bites. The ingredients you need are eggs, you need some minced garlic, some turkey sausage if you want. I got them in like a frozen pack. Onions, a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, some mushrooms, and spinach. Go ahead and crack 4 egg holes and 4 egg whites into a big large bowl. Microwave my turkey sausages. This is just going to be diced up and put in there along with everything else. If you are making vegetarian, you can go ahead and skip this step. I'm going to make a couple vegetarian and a couple non. Sausages microwaved and chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and put them in there separately. I didn't add them into the mixture because I am making a separate batch that is vegetarian. If you aren't making vegetarian, go ahead and feel free to put this in there. But I'm going to go ahead and put these in there. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top after. And then yeah, I'll show you what to do with your leftover egg yolks in a little bit. Now that my vegetables are nice and cooked and tender, I'm going to go ahead and add my mushrooms. And my spinach. Go ahead and just cook this all up for another 2 minutes. So I poured my mixture of sauteed vegetables in here, and I just kind of have them sitting here. Then this is my silicone muffin tin. It's great because it's just easier to pop out after. You don't need any cooking spray, no cupcake liners. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this over here. They're ready. I'm going to go ahead and put these in there for about 15 minutes, sometimes a little bit more. Just have to check at the 15-minute mark. If it's still a little runny, you could just put it back in there for about 2 minutes. Okay, so they're done out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool for 5 minutes. These are out of the oven, and I'm going to let them cool before I refrigerate them. This is definitely a make-ahead meal that my family enjoys. You just pop these in the microwave for like a minute or a minute and a half or so. And give it a sprinkle a little extra cheese, and it's really good. Now with the leftover egg yolks I had, I'm going to go ahead and just make that my vegetarian portion, and then same cooking for that. And as you can see, I just want to show you real quick. This is like my silicone pan. I mean, a little bit of a mess, but some of these came out really clean and they look really good. So I give it 100% thumbs up for the silicone pan. Our second taste tester.
This is an egg bite with sausage and some vegetable. Kind of looks like a frittata from a first glance. It's got a nice yellow coloring. You can see the vegetables kind of perking out on the top with some of the meat. So I'm going to go ahead and get my first taste here and see how JJ did. Not an overwhelming egg taste. I could taste the vegetables, which is nice. One thing I don't like about egg dishes is when the egg overwhelms the flavors. That's when it's a turnoff for me. This is a little bit more kind of a mild and egg taste with some carrots.
There's no carrots in there.
Or bell pepper. All right.
Can you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I think I would like some spicy sausage, but besides that, I'll give it a 8.6.
My mom here, ready to taste test the egg bites. Okay, go ahead. She's using her chopsticks because her hands are dirty.
So good, so tasty, so juicy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
20.
Thank you.